In today's video, I'm going to take you on a very popular virtual walking tour in 4K 360. So be sure to adjust the settings and spin the screen around to see what's going on all around, even behind the camera. This Kathmandu city walk or virtual tour was filmed at the top of Swayambhunath or Monkey Temple in Kathmandu, just one of the many family activities you'll find here. If you're wondering what to do in Kathmandu on a hot day or what to do in Kathmandu with children, this video is for you. If you're planning a trip to Nepal, I know you'll get a lot out of our videos on our It's About Nepal channel. If you have a question for us, please leave it in the comments. It's so enjoyable to see all the Buddhist and Hindu families with their children. Having so many UNESCO sites so close together is great for families, both local Nepali as well as tourist families. Kathmandu is actually home to 7 of Nepal's 4 UNESCO sites, which sounds like an impossible fact, something that can only be said about Nepal. Something I always look forward to doing is getting some shopping done, and you can find some nice souvenirs at the temple sites. Well, some of the things are imported from China, but there are also some excellent values on Nepali-made handicrafts. On this day, I bought a couple of coffee cups.
One of these Kathmandu, Patan, Saptapur, 3 places now.
Right.
This is quite nice.
Oh, I don't know which one I want.
Which one do you want? Buddha eyes.
I kind of like the Buddha eyes together.
And 3 flags.
That flag's nice too.
Take one or take more?
I take 2. I think I decide. Take them all.
Oh.
No, just one. I think Buddha eyes fine. And I don't need any bag.
Okay. Anything else? Let's take a look, ma'am. There's some Buddhas.
Okay, I hope I don't lose my phone.
Okay, no problem.
The views are quite nice from Swayambhunath. You can see the Kathmandu skyline, several temples, and views of the Himalayas. If the weather is hot, this is where you really want to be. There's almost always a breeze up here when the weather is hot down below. There wasn't a good place to eat, but there were a few restaurants being built. Just remember, Monkey Temple is not a good place for a picnic. As much as I like rooftop dining, this isn't the place for that either. The monkeys can really be problematic. There are several local restaurants in the area though, and some of them are pretty good. When you walk around either a Hindu temple or a Buddhist stupa, always go around clockwise and always spin the prayer wheels clockwise. Each of these prayer wheels has a prayer for peace inside. Each time the prayer wheel makes a rotation, the prayer is sent to heaven, and it says, Om Mani Padme Om.
Oh, very nice. I hope, and I get candy. May I get a candle? Oh, 50 rupees, big one.
One way to make a donation that goes to local families who take care of the temple here is to buy a candle and set it on the altar. The prices for the candles usually start around 20 rupees, and the families are usually quite poor. I just cannot stress enough how you really need to watch out for the monkeys. Spin the screen around here to see how they act. Don't feed them and don't bring food. As you can see here, the monkeys can become pickpockets and muggers if you aren't careful.
Oh, shit. No. Oh, my God.
They are fast and they can bite. In a normal tourist season, 3 people a day get bit by monkeys. And that brings us to the perfect time to remind you to purchase some travel insurance before you leave for Nepal. We have an affiliate link in the description for an easy-to-use platform that provides excellent prices on travel insurance, as well as great customer service. We have a second link too, which will save you a lot on airfare, so I hope you check those links out.
Namaste. Oh, that's nice. Good job. Oh, very nice. I'm not going to fold it pretty like you.
We have a couple other videos about Swayambhunath on our other channel, What About Nepal? In one, we enjoyed the bottom park, and then the other day, we visited on the top level here. That playlist begins from the end card, so be sure to stay to the end for those.
यहाँ राम्रो आउँछ।
Thanks so much for coming along with me on my people watching tour here. See you next time.